Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English for Tuesday, will be the 22nd day of October 2024. Our topic for today now, you have to wrestle. A memory verse, it comes from the book of Genesis chapter 32, from verse 24 go reach 29. Genesis 32, 24 to 29. So now only Jacob come day. Then he and one man fight till day break. When the man say he no fit beat Jacob, he call shift the bone for Jacob lap comot from where he dey. The man could tell Jacob say, make you allow me go because day don dey break. But Jacob answer am, I no go let you go unless you bless me. Then the man ask Jacob, wetin be your name? Jacob answer am say, my name na Jacob. The man say, dem no go call you Jacob again, but from today na Israel dem go call you because you don fight with God and man and you don win. Then Jacob answer am, abeg, make you tell me your name. But the man say, why you dey ask my name? So he called bless am. Our memory verse for today now from Genesis chapter 32, verse 28. We will read them together. Then the man say, dem no go call you Jacob again, but from today na Israel dem go call you because you don fight with God and man and you don win. Make we enter the message for today. Again, one ogbonge lesson wey dey for inside 2 Kings chapter 2 from verse 1 to 15. When I go like make you pay close attention to. Elijah give Elisha condition when he go meet in order to get the double portion. Despite the fact say he don dey serve Elijah for a long time. I wish Elisha no meet that condition. He no forget anything from his papa at the pasture. Many people dey think say a powerful man of God bless you, that one don dey enough. Yes, the blessing dey powerful, but if the person no wrestle his way or her way to greatness, that person go remain for the same level. Your father fit don settle some things on your behalf, but you still get your own individual wrestling to do if you wan gain access to those things. For inside Genesis chapter 27 from verse 26 to 30, Isaac blessed Jacob with irreversible blessing. For sure, Jacob will be great man, but Jacob gats fight his way to change his name so that he go fit get the benefit of the blessings when he don receive for inside Genesis chapter 32 from verse 1 to 30. Many big men children dey think say because their papa and their mama get money, they no go fit poor again for life. But history don show us example of people wey be say their papa and mama get money, but they still end up as poor people. If you no wrestle your way to greatness, you will eventually lose all the inheritance wey they don keep with you. Some pastor children dey think say because their papa and mama get anointing, that one mean say devil no fit touch them, and e also mean say they go fit go heaven. They don't forget say Ezekiel chapter 18 verse 22 say, the soul wey sin, e go die. If you be sinner, your papa righteousness or anointing no go fit cover you. You must meet God for yourself and build relationship with am if you wan enjoy the benefits of wetin your papa dey carry. Without Pa Josiah Akindayomi, you no for fit know Adeboye today. I dey always dey thank God say I get born again the time when I get born again and I'm for inside the Redeemed Christian Church of God. God bring me to Covenant Church and I can't enter the covenant dey ride on top to become who I be today. However, even though the covenant dey there, I wish I no wrestle am out. I for no ever succeed. Times dey wey be say I get fast, I go pray, keep vigils, work hard. I don make sacrifices and I still dey do am today, because I know say the covenant go go to waste if I no wrestle my way out of things by myself. My beloved, if you wan experience the blessings of God wey God don arrange to help you succeed, then you need to dey ready to wrestle am out by yourself. Wetin be our key point for today? Our key point for today talk say no relax because you feel say you get advantage. Wrestle to make use of that advantage. Na here we take come to the end of today's message. No forget say the topic wey we consider na you get to wrestle. And na from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. Na there we for bring you this message. And on top your favorites blog, now you take listen to the message today. Don't forget to like this video, share the video, and drop your comment for the comment section. We want to thank all our subscribers who don't subscribe to this channel. I beg, if you never subscribe, make you just do the needful now, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We go see for our next video.